Hello, guys, my people. You can come listen to the latest lies. You can come listen to the latest lie when Monica just blew. What a shame! What a shame! Hell, God, I beg you. Not let me go. They support. Who go? They use their shame and disgrace. They cover my face. Varition and shame and disgrace in Anya. Huh? My people. The color na atie shame and disgrace of Monica na. The color na Haimune na. Thanks for joining on a good evening. Please, as you are joining, help me to share ads, okay? Share ads and give the video love and like. The color na Amune shame and disgrace na. No one like Monica Gbena. Amazing people. Edo tetawe ovio guoma. Esi o maiko. Oge Monica na iluga ena. All in the name of Pepe de. All in the name of make them know say I don't arrive. All in the name of make them know say na me be me. They now we shame and disgrace and oge fans oge my people. Ori ogieri evese. E shame and disgrace is so na. Oge followers oge. Ori ogieri evese. Wagemini a post my people. When they do this, they are fake, a fake happy birthday fake name celebration. Ori wa bono la yen gbe me no kuyan. Social media where everybody they manage. Iyan la wanya ye fake life di yamiya. Amari yon wano itemata. But based on God, no say, even though mad I don't know how they talk. You understand? The way God tell they disgrace Monica, if na me be she, I for don't turn new life. I for don't turn new life, new live. They do new things. Where be say as she they lie, the lie they leak, follow her. So my amazing people, without even wasting much of your time, this post way there front of this video, so this one na Monica fans where they claim say that they celebrate J-Boy. Monica fans where claim say that they celebrate Monica Pikin. Una see wetin they post. If you can read it, you read it. If you can't read it, I will also read it. Where I go screenshot this thing, before Monica go they tell them say, may they go they delete her. Now make me screenshot her. I was on other page. Type, my lady, thanks for joining, Mama Okiro Edo. Thanks for joining. Thank you for the star, Mommy. Yo. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I think I will need to change this my page name back. Okay, because they really confuse my people. I think I will change it back. Okay, I will do it because of you guys. Because many of una go the other page. Una why azozobodo. Thank you for the star, Mama G. Thank you. One and only legit Mama Magba River. God bless you, my lady. Una they get me so amazing people. Why the lies, Monica? I go screenshot all these things can't keep because I know that they go so it say she dey left now. They call another family witch because she's useless. Who she want call witch? Who she go call witch? Now person say how much she dey live fake life. All this one where she they do now, you know reach where person where God take the same person go backward for life. See what our followers, our fans they post. J-Boy Football Club. Mona Lisa make a very discussed consistency for now. He say J-Boy, thank you, Mama, for the star. Thank you. He said J-Boy Football Club quietly waited for J-Boy birthday to post his contract signing update. Una here? See the way they live fake life. Today na J-Boy birthday. The answer is no. When Queen Rita do that video finish, I go investigate by myself. Yes. As Queen Rita finished the video, because when she did a live video, I just did listening. So when Queen Rita finished the video, now remember, so when Queen Rita they do that video, she mentioned something, say she don't know why Monica Pikin they answer Ambrose Ajala. I believe say na Monica na tell the company made they change the boy name. Yes. Na Monica na tell the company made they change that boy name because that boy not the answer Ambrose Sonny. So she know that if he definitely go out, as I said, they want post am for the world. Social media go see him, everybody go see him, and we go question the boy's surname. That is why Monica replaced J-Boy's name with he papa name. Because how can a son they answer a father name? Una never reason that place. Now my own different point of view, I made that array. Why Monica go change e pikin name? Why you go beg the company if na that Ambrose na be the man na born that boy? Why Monica go change her son name if to say na Ambrose born the boy? No be Ambrose born that boy. Ambrose is just a what did they call her? A whatever, a adopted father. Based on Nai mama come marry and all. He's just a adopted father. Because imagine now say me now, yeah, I boom, my pikin na Dorcas Queen. Okay, Dorcas Queen. Now they call my pikin. My own name na Philo Queen. And based on we don't answer the same surname. My own name na Philo Queen. So when my own daughter now go or my son go book any appointment or whatever, he'll come put my name there instead of her name or his papa name. The reason Monica begged the company to change that boy name is because Ambrose is not the father. No be Ambrose name they as J-Boy surname. And una know say that J-Boy where we they call that J-Boy is not his real name. Oh. That J-Boy so no be real name. Una they get me so that one aside. Now Monica with her fake lovers, her fake bloggers where they blog nonsense. This is how they have been spreading the whole media with lies. This is how they have been terrorizing Edo cyberspace with lies. If not, where will anybody just come outside and be deceiving innocent Edo people? I will call you, okay? I do online now. If I round up, I will call you. Una they get me. Where will Ambrose with his children, with his wife, all of them now don't let the same thing? See what your bloggers post. Let me read this one. He said, may I read Constant on first? He said, J-Boy Football Club quietly waited for J-Boy birthday to post his contract signing update or more. Like, I don't get it. Constant, now today be J-Boy birthday. Now today be J-Boy birthday. If that club na club self where be say they know their self, which company they work on Sunday? Huh? Which company they work on Sunday? Which team self, even football team, which football team they work on Sunday? They're not they go as they not get family. Sunday no be family days. Something where they post yesterday. Who even know whether na don't go create fake accounts with that company name till they operate now? Because I mean why I said to you. Nothing will na no fit do just to say you want pepper. Now, guys, please love and like and share the video, okay? They don't they flag this video. This reality, after I saw this post where they did this reality, then I realized that now Ambrose get this blog. Okay, this reality so now Ambrose get this blog. Now they get this blog because everything, all the details where this blogger bring out, you know, if you tell me say now Monica call the blogger tell her or somebody except who they inside the house, which is Ambrose. Your computer itself come out and say, now he get this blog. Even though I felt the year and since they say get blog, now I believe that now he get this reality. Now I'm gonna see what he write to. Fake life people say, copied, yeah? We are delighted to announce that Ambrose Ajala has signed his first professional contract at the club. Una de hear me so. Ambrose Ajala. Now remember say, when Queen Rita still they analyze her just now, she also mentioned that the name where Ambrose became the answer for there is Ambrose Ajala. Maybe they go just ask, say, what it be nickname, so that they will address her with their nickname. Monica choose to use Ambrose Ajala to say it became name na Ambrose Ajala. Based on Oibo people, they not follow and go at those states. They not follow and there those cyber space. Let's say they want to investigate whether na a rename or not be rename. Una they get me. He first professional contract. And few days ago, I watched video where Monica do. Monica they talk for that video say he picking they don't sign a contract. Money where they pay no be small money. Say the money big. And then you go to ye lekwe. Because of saying their social media, whether they craze, whether she say people she be their mates. I can't they look and say, people say because footballers, I hear say they one side they pay maybe 50,000 $90 as they do the Osime, my people. Me can't say now that sign where they sign the Osime where you hear say Nenemi Chelsea don't sign now. They pay a billion to sign now. Manchester don't sign now. They pay a trillion, saloboa, man, saloboa. They pay a trillion, my people. Me confess say, now that kind signing, now Monica picking sign. I no even know say na ekpe school or na picking sign. Where he no even hear word for those cyberspace. Me con even the feel say, oh, maybe the boy now go finally remove them for poverty. If a class you have a see you at least now, they don't sign the picking as they sign Osime. Me no even know say na picking one go they learn at they pass ball. And if you not behave safe, because they get rules, they can drop him at any time. This one now where mama don't finally come and answer for those cyberspace. Everybody don't know the Oga we get the company of football. Everybody don't know the Lami. I been waiting they call him Lamide. The company where signed them. Where picking for the lane boss. So everybody don't know the sponsor. Everybody don't know. You just say people know go they call those ones. They forward Monica video they give them. Amaria say now some bomb yasi. Now what Monica self they do people. Una sure say people no go they call that company now. They they throw away for their body. Una sure say no be suspension. They will take suspend Monica Pikin. I not wish her bad anyway, but now mama they wish her. If that Pikin drop out for school, that football school today, now waiting Monica wish for the boy. If the boy also succeeds, now waiting Monica still wish for her. Because I see no reason why a mother go come dey announce children. Just because of say you want pepper, who you they do competition with? I no demagua, Monica, nekberon, ne fake life. Now, see what the right to papa. Now Bruce get this reality. Now he get am. I've already confirmed it that now he get am. Don't decide. Now, see, let's continue the reading, guys. It said the 18 years old striker joined the club scholarship program last January and has been impressed across both the NEF U18 and U20 squad on a regular basis over the last year. Hey, big. See better big lie. E picky where they no recognize when you wear. They even they call a striker. Hey, salo boy. A Facebook ura. Ya when he read very loud because okay had to boom baby man. Person wey be say don't they play ball since last year can't reach today. Now only once they say he used mistake by mistake they score to go. Agwate is striker ne. Even real striker we could read a show just now with their name. They even write and put say they are professional strikers. And you have Monica Rewa. But according to their fake life write-up now to Pepe presenters, he say the 18 years old striker, meaning Quirita was not wrong when he talked the date where they born that J-boy. Now 2007, they reborn her. He's 18 years old. Quirita no lie. Monica no even get anything to the boy. If not maybe she not get anything to even talk about video where Quirita do. Because everything Quirita said is the bitter truth and nothing but the truth. Monica, how your pikin wey just knew where they just knew welcome now as apprentice. It just be like now when we say person they learn hairdresser work. You need to write agreements before your mother go fit teach you work. So because of say Monica, your pikin, they just accept them now. It's okay. You are free to learn how to play ball here. They will first train her for 4 years, 5 years, 7 years. Before they will finally they add and join team where they will go they play ball for different places. You said though they call her striker. He said the 18-year striker fake life for Buwa. You not see her now say this fake life side now it don't go. Because anything you talk about this you are your son football now. Who go even come look out for your math, that person not get sense. That app now I don't already download. App where we go take they check everything. With the check cannot me say we wish the pikin bad. No, for you to bring your own son come out for media, come share down for public. It don't say where you define what you want do that J-boy, Monica. It don't say where you define what you want do that J-boy. People they call that boy today say no be papa born. Now you still cause. Now you still cause. Okay, now this boy they struggle since for inside he not be papa born, not be papa born for years. Okay, time where this boy just stay stand up now. So okay, may he do better thing for his future. May he become a footballer. Who nag the social media ya fefefene. And you know people where you they deal with say then go still they help you, they call that company, they report your son, they report you, or they can report you say even the master where get the company, they'll start with the sagara. A pattern you where you insult the children, his son where be footballer, be basketballer, where be say that one that they pay and block, that one that they sign out with thousand pounds. If na maybe then I will drive to that place. I don't even need to call. I will use motor drive to that company where you're picking for the do school. So I'll go tell them say you be child bully. Say you're picking being in that organization and if they will tarnish that organization name. And trust me, they will drop out. They will drop everything don't open. Both the sponsor out, both the other. But everything, age, in way they use, the people want report now. It's very straight. They don't need to look for anything. Everything just they go to. Tomorrow now, you go say na presenter be your problem. No, you are the problem of yourself. As me don't still old rich for this media, I cannot get anything where they important to me. I will come bring and come out for media. I feel mad. I smoke Morocco, I smoke Equalebo. Anything you see me bring out on media and something where be say, I don't care. If you like, stay. If you like, go. Now they bring come out for media. Yes. Things I do on media is all those I don't care. Even the time when me carry cloth come out, they say. When I bring a come out for media, my people, they nearly buy me. They nearly buy me. Oh. Ordinary cloth. Oh, when I also see they say those summer dress, why they say that. I've been at the jewelry so where you decide they don't tell now what I pass through for that one. And I make boa. That jewelry so the whole world here. So I was forced to pack and take sausage. Dash somebody before I can feel the breathe. I was like, money where that like I don't understand. Person where they Euro for many years. You come they tell me say money where not even like I don't get you. No be 5,000, no be 10,000, no be 20,000 euro. You go they call me because of a waiting. So to a person who willingly say won't dash me. But because they present as sin, they backstab me, all my friends betray me, all of them go sit down there, they go meet the woman, wait I do, wait I not talk, they go the life for there. They go the life for there. That woman was the last time I told say anything why they benefit from, I cannot post it on media. Because even person where you know say go stab you for back, now you go carry back to us, say, take tear your back for you. All my own was, me even they say, okay, I they happy, because that's one thing about me. If I they eat, or I they gain from something, I must, if you deal around me, I must introduce you, put. I must show you way. It be like one time now, where again one this thing where I can't advertise one time, my people, about get one app like that. If you put money, the money go increase, you know. I put a lot of people. I make that announcement online. I put a lot of people. My people, not be say maybe I won't collect their money, I want shop their money. I do, I see and say, yes, it benefits me. I collect that money. I wanted to try to also reach out to other people. That's my kind of person. I was having about 40 members. For that, my own personal chat. I was having 40 members. Do you know that immediately I bring that thing come out for this social media? Immediately I announced that thing for this Edo cyberspace. I don't even know how far people and look when I get out of that 40 something people, about 40 don't they collect, because my area people join, my even some of my sisters, I put them, they cash out, people cash out well before that thing knock. As I don't talk for social media like this, that thing knock. It was remaining about, I think, 3 people, they don't new enter. Is it 3? Yes, I think 3 people. That 3 people, so they just new enter. It never quick they collect. That thing knock. Do you know what I did? Money will be say I no shop. I no smeller. I was forced to refund those people money. I was forced, not be say even forced. Because I just said they say if you know, as the other, I said no problem. Send me your account. I will refund your money. Only one person now no refund money give na Querita fast, and she always they wash me. She said, Queen, don't I know if you dey after the money, forget about me, because shit do happen. I know say not be your fault. But even that 3 people, not be say they ask me, oh, No be say they tell me say queen, bring that money or you bring my money or you pay my no. But I just look and say, now they had their money, you understand? They bring and come and someone, I think one enter with 3 hands. Yeah, I think 300, is it 300 euro? I bet 300, yeah, 300 euro. The other one, I think the other one, be like 150 euro or something like that. Don't they forget because just it. I use my own personal money, pay them back. I just tell the woman, say, Mama, don't worry. So they like this, I'll give you your money. Maybe some feel they fear, say, oh, they'll come, they panic, say, oh, a queen, no, they don't know, say, me, I'm not even be like that. And since that day, they come here and those people will still be like family. I refund their money, only one person. Now tell me, say, Queen, forget about that thing. Thanks for joining, Mama Sign on my Sebra. Thanks for joining, my lady. Say, Queen, forget, I know it's not your fault. I pay all those money, all those people back, I refund them. Money will not shop. If I shop that money, I die by motor accident. I not shop. But I pay. Why that thing cast? Because I brought it online. As Zembugbe, social media, my people. As Zembugbe, all those things will just happen. I was like, what? This thing, I thought they do this thing for almost 8 months. No story. Why now? Plus that woman, oh, that my ex-mom, oh, constantly happen. Clothes, when I see they say, that one, oh, can't happen. Now I decide, say, I not go anything. Even though I do marriage, I will not post it on social media. Even though I get belle bon safe, except say, maybe you see me waka for road, I wear white gown, they do marriage, you come video me, go post am. Or you see me carry belle way long, at the dadana, they go, you come see me, you snap me, you go post am. That one are your own. If I want to explain, if I don't explain, I'll leave you, maybe post am. Carry that one, they go. Say, me open this, my mouth talk. I will never try it. Now, Monica now go just sit down comfortably. They announce a song. This one where she already announced the song. Now, the song is not going anywhere. No be you tell na truth be bad person. The song is not going anywhere. Because as people don't know everything, all the information, everything, they call that company, they will start to the report. And Monica, though they do this boy something. My lady say, those cyberspace be the center of witchcraft for this reason. Yes, so as you see them, so we ask. We ask, now they be witch. If you not get witch, not follow them, go they do I buy my motor cash. I buy my wheelbarrow cash. I buy my this cash. Since then, I couldn't live. If you notice me, I live quiet life. People only see say they shine. People see say they flex. People see say they do shopping. Classic shopping. Not be shopping of a 2 naira 2. Meanwhile, we can't 2K go shop. I go collect from collection. Collect. Even many, I don't post it. I know they post them. They will call them where for the same money. I just say na let Facebook they do. Where for the they don't know where my income for the come. They don't know. But if not before, based on good mind, I say, oh, come on, it happen for you, oh, come on, that. Nah. I know they do again. I know people when I they pick. If something like that. Because me, once I believe for this life, say, this life now turn by turn. Sometimes things feel still okay for my side. I would like to share with people. Say, okay, take. Or if business, you also the one also okay, you get small. I'll involve you. Say, okay, see. Now some people still they involve me. Say, Queen, do this thing, do like this. Not be even presenters. So people will not be present. People will be say they know me. My own homies. People will know for ground like. Now they get me. After what I pass through. And now what did you do cyberspace? Even I say, even the one where you go help self back, you carry a class like this, you won't remove your head. The rubber slippers where you wear, they go wear Nike shoe for Lego. That Nike shoe where they wear so they not go know the value, they don't need that. You where you wear your rubber slippers, you and your rubber slippers, so it's off the money, now their eye go day. That's a do cyberspace for you. So guys, let's read further for Monica with her children fake life. He said, under a month later, Ajala was given his second senior appearance in the first round of the Bet MC Lane Cup against whatever championship. Side H and W Weathers. Ajala once again grabbed his opportunity with both hands, scoring both goals in a 2-2-1. That is a 2 that is a they score 2, the other people score 1. Which na lie. Only one match. Now Pikin don't score. Only one single match. Now he don't score. Since we get the company. Since when Monica Pikin did the company, only one, so now he don't score 2 match. 2 goals. Not be even 2 match. And now only that 1 match be the only match where he self don't play. And that match not be professional match. Now just gather children where they streets. So go as they see green ass, red ass. Now so before they finally say they want to take her now as a student. Let's read further. It says Ajala most recent senior appearance saw him make his sport direct. All right. He said debut back in February, coming off the bench to play 35 minutes in the 2-0 defeated at Shamrock Park. Ha! Monica with your husband, they lie. Una they lie. Guys, una know they understand what you Mona just they try to understand that the way I tell they read them, because una knows all this their UK area, I don't know all these some words where they use, so you be like saying football words. I don't know. You understand? Now, first, just I said that he Pikin fair play ball. He scored 2. The other party scored 1. So it can't be 2-1. Secondly, 30 minutes match. The Pikin scored 2-0 to defeat Shamrock Park. Okay? Now more read further. Speaking on his diligence at Ambrose signing a professional contract at the club, head of scholarship Kent O'Hara said, since joining last January, Ambrose has shown his quality both on and off the pitch. He is willing to learn and continually trying to improve, and I have no doubt that he will go on to have a successful career. It's a proud moment for him and his family. Ambrose will be aware that there is plenty of hard work ahead of him, but I can't wait to see how he continues to develop under Naita and the rest of the senior coaching team. Pikin never even reach senior. He never even reach senior. Pikin never reach senior. Our tier is senior. Pikin where they want you saga take pursue come out for there just now. Pikin where they will use saga remove from there. Somebody say, why I better be like this? I better, and I will say, no say. Then they distract the little boy, useless spirit long. Now, free sign, they sign the Pikin for school. Make when they go school. Monica say money where they pay. If una go koti, I know say some bloggers say, we know they see comments. Yeah, I'm not seeing comments, guys. I know even they see comments. You understand? If I know say bloggers will go back and cut video where Monica don't do where they talk about this Pikin football. If una go cut those video, if una go back and cut those video where Monica don't they talk about this Pikin ball, I can't look waiting the company right Come look at the real truth. Go and search that company by yourself. May you see the real truth of what they go. You flag or the page Monica for outside. For all the lies that she like. Even me, I saw it with my koro. I say, Monica say, money where that company give her just to sign the boy. He say with her beg, they even need that beg. Say because other company, they drag her son. Me Kofi say, now so that they drag the Osimhen. You know? Now so that they drag the Osimhen. You know, say football team now. Chelsea go say one buyer. Nene go say one buyer. They don't say one. Cause now so that they drag. Me no even know say na night picking. Monica. Wait till go take for your body if you talk truth. Your second, where you they follow run race now, we be say they say na today be your birthday. Where you they follow run race now, we make you go they post your picky. We be say he birthday na January. Where you go they post and say now today be birthday. Just to snatch somebody else's celebration. Just to snatch somebody else's smile. Just to snatch somebody else's happiness. You see why? You see why you no go ever smile, smile. Because your own smile, you leave the time when you take smile your own. Come they smile other people own. Where be the fake smile, where they your face, where make your face wrinkle. Then I make you. Somebody say, the observer, thanks for joining. The observer say, Queen, go, Lens, FC scholarship. Now the training side be that. Okay, now the training side be that. That just expose her. It just started. Just now, I watched Kurita video. I watch it. Now everybody don't know say na day now. Wait till Monica want come they tell us again. Monica do the right congratulations. They don't post that picking poster. I have myself I can say yeah, Monica get loco. Picking do they play ball like Osimhen. I can say yeah, Monica will be useless person like this. Picking now do they play ball like Osimhen. They don't pay like 70,000 euro first to start. No, they don't buy like Chelsea. As Chelsea, they buy as match. What do they call them? Is it Manchester? As Manchester, they buy player. They don't buy the boy. Monica say money where they take sign and not be small money. I don't even know say picking a your small apprentice. As me, if they so if I decide to say I want learn any work, I'll go meet Italo. They'll go register me. Then I'll come and say congratulations. Say I'm not a Navy professional Navy work. I never even learn. I never even start now. Monica Pekin never even start to the learner now. Now just yesterday the receiver for the comments, okay, you feel they come here, come they learn how to play ball. Monica not letting a year word. She know they look at second. Your second get 3 boys. You think say those are 3 boys, they know they do anything for life. You think say those children don't get any occupation, they don't get any school where they go, they don't get anything. Now only your own get something. The guests where they that day now so just see and answer those ones. You know what by the blow now what came out answer though. Wait you now they celebrate we know they bring one paper come out. They block and here they say that they celebrate something. We will celebrate your magiata me managbon. It's a normal student where just start. Yes now. Apprenticeship all. Oh my God, Monica, I just tired. She got the right congratulations. Even the day where they robbed, he can't pour powder for her head for that video where me they talk about. So she can't pour powder for her head. Say, whether they know how much they give her. When people they talk about gold na something. Say blessing where God don't bless her. He no fit talk. Even this is J-Bobo where they so he know how much the football team take sign her. Thousand. Me when they play for them. I could they look and say, no, maybe go some another house because they don't use money side picky like Osimhen. And they even know say they never even recognize the picky for the team safe. And Bruce now where they come volunteer to go there and arrange share for where they play ball. So if those children play ball finish, they and Bruce now will go there and arrange the share, the clean things, wait till you know bear way here see what gonna not be small thing. The one way they vex me for Monica, because me know say, as people don't already know where they go on now, they are going to call that company. In Italy, we will date in Italy with they speak. People where they Germany na Germans they speak, yeah. So that is they get German tongue. People where they UK, all those America, they know how to speak all those, you know, hello. I'm talking to Nenemi Scholarship. Okay, do you know you just employ one boy, Bruce Ajala? He's a terrorist. You know, his mother is a terrorist. That video where Monica Yoto say go bring terrorists come Nigeria, they'll just say that, go give her say she's a member of a group of terrorists. Now Amati talk and say one bring terrorism to Nigeria. Made that footballer, made them know say in Peking they bring terrorism, they come their feet. A terrorism or Mudena. The main reason, Monica, I think is at this point of your life, you need to quit saga and shut up for your own good, and especially at this point of your life, because you get a lot of things nowadays to lose. Yes, you get a lot of things now to lose. The country where you dey, now English speaking country. Now English speaking country now you dey. It's very easy to report. Before you go from where you dey, come report me for Italy. You first go Italian school for like at least 2 years. So that you will fit talk. Say now so she lie just full ekobete. Yes, na Mama Gloria. I fear no fear Monica. Now today I feel no say Monica na liar. But today I caught cab for her. Our bloggers are anyway over. And ya post again. It's their fake life. You where you they live real life. They not go let people see you. This is what Monica have been doing for years. Okay, which one can be this solid or bamba birthday where be say she know say a picking birthday na January. Now ex friend they do birthday today. Or magio ni mi to na celebrate birthday again. Instead, she come by, they say the company can't post the song and say that today be birthday. So you won't tell us now, say the company don't know your picking birthday. Now they write time for there. Now they write time for their app or their site. Monica, they shame for you. The reason you change your picking name because no be Ambrose born that boy. J-boy no the answer Ambrose Sonny. Yes, that is why you are not proud. Because everybody know Ajala. Even though you know what made the call name for even you for even put another name. Not be say Peking go the answer papa name. Everything where they throw away for this world. Now money can have the day. Emi yamagi filokoa. Obe Monica o jega nini na miewoku. Anini na miewoku. Who would have thought that Pikin we pesi bongo kon they use the papa name? Monica, you shame enter house. Today not be your Pikin birthday. Me una dey get shame. Person where they do birthday today may see road. You don't want to see other people grow. That is why you are stuck in one place. Agbomama we. La one gie we amu we. E bloblo e buewagun. Ni sumoti you go because a bloblo ship for market. You go type bloblo everywhere. You know the shame. Things where you they do me not even do one. I don't fit and I don't pray, may God let me learn all those things. Unyi me na ya meet up in ya u. Unyi me no guya, unyi usaka me dan, no gwe. Igbo vo igbo dineni, no wa. Tell we wait about no about a video na. But wa. Wazua. Who you they run race with? Them no one of them who send you. Now today you enter Europe, talk less or say you want to impress person. You know the shame. Now Vasabi you do, now you lose, now you take lose passport for Netherlands. This same of Vasabi where you they do so, now you do for Netherlands, where you take lose passport. They never give you passport. You know, they chat. They tell everybody your passport, your passport, your passport. Easy. 5 family with passport, 5 family with passport. Last, we don't see and say even green passport you never get. When your shame go take, when you take tired to disgrace yourself. Now where you they do know. Me, I not fit go market, go buy passport. I fit. Even she, the seller. Amazon, they sell a fake passport. They'll bring when you go say Italo, they'll write and put passport. I you even though you put your picture, no, they get where they take the opener. As they take the put that they are fake one, they'll go stand for back, but by the opener, they show you say, see my passport, see my passport. I can do it. I said no. I didn't live real life. Real life. You know, I don't mind anybody, no pressure me. You make these people, children lose passports. Now you want me to still pursue this your son now for football match, for football feed. You want me to still pursue your pikin for football feed, and anything we make stay don't enter that your pikin body for one football company. It go round because it be like association. It be like association. The company we want still drop her. They go still state the reason why they drop her. Others no go be accept them because they go still see the reason why the former company fed drop her. You want bafukada piki. They will tell you truth of your life. You say that they jealous you. You be person where they jealous. Open your pot, make a count how many meat they say. What is your body where they jealous? I been a house where you they too fine. Nancy where you they do ask girl follow. You know they see Nancy Palo. Nancy Palo be like your full house. Eh? People never even jealous Nancy finish. Now you. Where be say person they sleep. What gecko go they fall down from up. For your house. So mommy what the new paint you paint your wire and wire say. Me everywhere the white. God forbid. Aragmara say Edo be me aye. Once a less, picking life no let you build. You make those children lose passport. Now you want to pursue this one for footballer. The other girl that then and her husband house, they forgo pursue and come back. Husband house. Now they forgo pursue and come back. Now only your children I see say that they use different name. The reason why you know they post their name. The son now they use Abu Sajala. The girl when you bring come that one they use Mrs. Okpokpogiri. Eh? Yes, so my lady, your Mama Gloria, the thing they, I know the shame for her. I know the verse for her matter again. I shame I call the shame for her. Her daughter way day. Now bring this thing come out that they drive villas or whatever. They put Mrs. Pokpogri. Put. Now Mrs. Pokpogri, you give your picking. If you even that driving license where people bring that day, if you look at the ND, una no say Ajala na LA na endam. If you look the ND of that driving license, you look that surname, where surname they day, you go see say that name where they not be Ajala. You will see and say that name is not Ajala. Now the so-called husband will go force that picking go give. Child marriage. Now Monica they nothing we know everything where they pursue for this whole wide world. And Monica had the day. If a mother like Monica can give out her daughter whenever reach 19 or 18 years old for marriage, just to secure say the pikin go get passport through there, that's a nonsense. For pikin where they born for Europe. For pikin where they born for Europe. She turned those children to children where we say they no go fit enter. Or anytime where they enter country where they for born there, they'll be like visitor. Their whole country. Ask me then now why they talk say, I be proud Edo Pikin. Yes, Edo is my state. And from Nigeria, my birth certificate are there. Make Monica come show us a Pikin birth certificate. He get where he go reach. Netherlands go cancel. They will don't even cancel. They come up for system say, this kind of people fair pass here or they fair branch here. Monica children no fit go Netherlands now, go use am na chest as UK children they do for Italy. UK children wey be say they're born for Italy here. Their parents carry they go UK, they school there. If they come now, once you then say this speaking na UK for the come. Yo me ni the streets. If they made Italy and finished, if they made Italy today for road, if you see them, police no they do anything, even though they fight, police no they do anything. If you control them, now UK citizen, they not get anything to talk about. They'll live there. So family they not do it too strong. They'll live there. Because why? They be UK citizen. But Monica she they not fit go any country now go do gay. If they try. I've been at the Talo citizens where they side. Everybody know those ones. Any Ahmed de Ria Vision here will power around. Now you tell us hey, a way my balance. You don't get anything what you want to do. The way Monica take force a Peking give man, her daughter so force and give man because of passport. You know the happen for Italy. Since I did this Italy, I never see any Edo woman where be say born citizen. You say force a Peking give us back because of passport. Why? Once that Peking they knock 18 years, they don't go Costura or they don't go Costura. Don't go apply for that. Before you do that, they don't apply. The passport, you don't go or they give a boa. You draw that Peking, go back. Now you force them for marriage. You will not fit trade Peking way. You way your children, no, you not fit trade they way. See stress where they carry Peking follow. See shame and disgrace. Footballer now where you go live and make so live your life step by step. You want use life blind down now. Small time that boy go the shame now to go play ball because anything he play, any score where score they must post him. Yes, you want your Peking no go change the rules of that company. If I'm Bruce like me, they watch the plate of the company. If he like maybe say they arrange the share where did that company, that one not concern anybody. Wait till go take you should talk the truth. Better still, don't even post it. Nobody send you. They jealous me. You know the jealous person. Today now your Peking birthday. And now you the jealous people. You see how God tell you school it disgrace you today now. When many shame and disgrace you also when any Monica. You never see shame and disgrace now where it pass you. Your Peking birthday in January. Because they jealous your friend, your ex-friend. You go they post your son. To know that you are a foolish woman, you bring your children into your mess on a those cyberspace. Your life of nuisance, your useless and shallow life where you don't commit, where you don't live, you pack your innocent children come. Foolish woman, look the media. How many women of your mates, mothers, will be say they don't born the same time where you take born, be say that children don't. How many you don't say that they use their children do battle? Mumu, ashawo nini. When how many of your mates do not sit down, look the old presenter? How many they use their children do social media battle? Mumu Ozu. Now you do for where you did Agbomama we the Netherlands. Una ye Ghana must go Yaremi. You go that Ghana must go from Alibaba where you take park load go UK. So much shame like this you not get. Even if say maybe you can't decrease, say you they depressed, must you bring it to your children? See una fake life now. Is a striker, is a this, Wait till they strike. Tomorrow now, if people start to report that Peking drop and there, you will say that they jealous you. But you forget that you have also do it to other women. Go see Mama B children that day now. Mama B grandchildren that day. Now you and your followers, your lovers go they pack comments. Una go they pack the comment side. They put petition for their head. So if Mama B now can also go this company now where your Peking they play ball now. Can't go tell they say with him immediate alacrity. Make they drop her from this school. Shebi you go talk say mama be na wish. Shebi you go say mama be na wish. But now this Facebook, all of us did that the way you go, they carry down my children. They give your bloggers plus you. Now go, they say, maybe they petition, they maybe they report them, maybe they draw their Facebook, maybe they do something. So what they buy, they carry that petition, man. Carry and face this your picking school. Maybe they send petition, direct email to the school. Maybe they go, they load you there with evidence. Plus your children. How Netherlands they pursue a criminal case? Eh? How criminal case they pursue na come up for Netherlands? May they go they post and there. Shebi you go say mama being a bad person say they jealous you. Amavie sena son bon yasi. You are too wicked and evil. That is why good things don't they happen to you. When you they do, you feel say you be odunga, you be mumu. Your children now shebi they don't they grow now. They don't they come outside now. They don't they need people. They don't they need help. They don't they try to get work. They don't they try to, you see and say your nyash go continue to open. Even the guests where they say, no get near you want hide there. Where they go they work, they will see cash there. They will see bring their command. Now UK now. Now UK, again anywhere where they want work with black, no they. Black they work for all company. They must they see them there. The price where you don't price down, you must pay all of them. Useless woman. Shower no get shit. Carry that rotty face. Come and say, they jealous me. They jealous me. You they crazy. Ogwon buwe. What you think about the way they jealous? Abu we sumu. Tell me one thing. Motor where you buy a fake. You bought a second hand bangolo motor. Iye no see one. So you carry powder. You buy a new car. And this one and the same car will be say a lot of people get out for this media. Presenters, bloggers, analyzer, even friends, where we shall they get on for this media, where they see them. That car, so where you know they drive, so woman they this media, where we say now she they go work, they come back on a daily basis. She let you yeah, well, she never come up that for neck before. Can't go they be where God. Now your bad character, your feel say people they pursue you, whereas nobody send you. Which useless life where they live for them, we want that person yeah. Monica no yedo polo. Which use less life they live there. That life where they live na life. Na life with that. Go see people party where na go. No be only na dey that party. Party where they invite the whole media for the party where they invite the whole presenter. You reach there, you back and put for your head. Maybe like say na le na they do the party for 1 year birthday, one other JPC 1 year party. Now na get that party. Igo no ademi la ya lazy kudi warrior wanya. Aba ye gbemma. Wa training you wa avie kokoshu ya no pano gba kokoshu no na 90-story building on avio because of low self-esteem. Because of low self-esteem. If you short, you short. Not be new thing say you short. You must not buy yourself because you are short. Embrace your height. Rock your height. Mumu. Oya vie. With the bloody key. Oya vie your way. You get all the party. Or you say, Almighty be. Come by the lie, say the sick. Come by the lie, you know, sick where they don't see care about you or this one, you no not also na care. Wave are you your body people. Waga riva. About waga training this is how many months. Wabaya put ya to work. Egbe ya iga kiawa. Edegbe ya uwa rokpa iga mavu. Unero ila iwa weka. Wa weka. About vandalizing. Ede igbe wiyan rokpa mama. Una no see their face when they do video. Mi amene iwa la yen yagbe. That evening all of them were fine where they land. Una see their stamina for ground. Abe boy se nigi ye tramadon gworin ya mine. Iyan la dia. Gbe mana me de te gbe gere me. Ya iteze gbe wa gbon. Wa igute be wa na me ti ya gbe. Wo gwe fone. Ogugwe gwo be kokoshu. Ta ya le nu ya de muhu gboto. Nu ya de muhu gbe ta su do wuye no we be do ru. Ta ya le nu fi nu ari o wa nu ya vie. Shawo gbelu wa gbon. Aye no pa no rebe aga pioni. Aga pioni. No wage. Ina wa agia o salobua. Wajo wa na dia. Bwano ihu no wa ibieka. Abi kona na watana 48, 49, 50. Eh? My lady say, don't make me verse carry go enter this matter. Are they shame? They are shame. Somebody say, see the meaning of makeup. Now that one you see. Even me no look makeup. Una notice the jewelries. My people. A jewelries in any silo yegbe. Gold. Gold. That by way to have the gold where you do those chain and chain when I say no be gold. And I want lape. Oh boy, I'm see. What are you guys doing to yourself? The man why baron resinana. What's going on with you guys? Dominion only wa me karatakba or jiku edie fonpa ya. No wo be ave jiku. Ave tota koda fon wana. Agba sipe nwa ave tebu. Agba gist. Agba pique popcorn junu. E dominion rejeverio. E dominion asiku. O maru lelega wikuni ya nena miege. E boys ni ha ne ni wa be mwe kankan ni ne ke ni yam ye. E ni do ati e yo ti ere be kuna. E dominion ewe. Ewe. Owo ma no yo mu mese o riviere yo. Owo ma no ri sun mu mese o riviere yo. Kosi kuna mana ti o wa gbe to blata asa. He has no be viere yo na me viere yo no be somebody. As a mama 30 BGs. He has no bed yo. Go see video where they go see eye where they take the look as a mama. Egbe gbori na be moda fun le legbe. Video na be moda fun le legbe. Video ma we mi na ni say e ma oni e de saga we because they ti oni saga we. Ya mi vita ma we. But e ma oni saga we. Ma we na ni say we na wa moda fun we le legbe. Ogbe arun mo le legbe. That is Masheke errand. A lot of things went wrong when I saw that. What Azume money? What video? Can't you see? Oh boy, baby, yeah. I was pitting for that man to say, we are not so far, never we both like you know, Beya Maga. Amabe mu waje atebu. Table walk back go now only you come present away they not put for table for there. Yeah, mamu we here table. They not even hear you self. Say maybe MC go still call your name, maybe they hear you. Who will tell why are we prepared there for there? Why are we prepared there? When mamu diani man notice we okay are we prepared there. You see how they snob you. A presenter si we ya feve na kwa table we gino to wa. Ku work on that mother phone. When no one set in a video, ya pa in a way, for what now? First time of you bringing your husband to public to introduce to the world, you were a snob. When you press a wagani, I'm having you no pano where we are. Video, now to away alone, self, no day. All the videos are there. Dominion na wa video wana video bata we before we ke to ba we do mo camera da Versace we no ba mi bata we vie de Versace no mi we Versace mi a draw yo but we ne Dominion ya video wana ke we sila na video na zoom we make na mi screenshot oni wa ya do wa adio wa ya mama so ni which people na con use intimidate na if no be because of say manonya party anyway. Ima that is I no one just insult her. Well maybe I remember anybody is a presenter. A presenter will be no man batata. Yeah, disgrace wa disgrace egbuwa we kuni we no deni a disgrace wa. Wana egbuwa sila. Wa mighty ho gegbuwa. Wa do pepe ma ya ikuya ne kunita. Go see when kunita go Lady Precious make birthday. Go see when kunita go invest. Go see where people they go party. Go see real genuine love. When ya nigga re bedo bi adini wa temata ma wa. E medu wa dema. When wa ya regbu wa all the videos are there. O wa ya o regbu wa konyon sila. Yi? Sa lo buena wenina. Ami ni boro egbe party wuwena. Ni yo ye bedi we ya. Ami ya, but the only thing, truth is bitter. I really felt for Ivierio. Ivierio ma be fi negbe the next ono ya gbina ye mi owo. Ono ya gbina ye mi owo, ono ya pakize. O wa be so asave ba ehia wiku. Me mother stand Ivierio na. Ikunu wejo amamu we ye atebu. Venu dress so gbe Versace yo we. The next thing, j'avais pas besoin de savoir, et mani mi oui, ya save, ya dragé, ya bois dragé, Munia, and a camera video, when you were a very ogbina, always want bina ye, very ogbina ye mio. Eh? They can a package. Where's the class? Eh? I make a can wait me, I may move beg on my way. Hey, oh, bros, I beg, give me water. They party. Bros, I beg, give me water. Veni meje, deti mega kuni. Veni watu ensena erise. Ile lo madwe don't be silly ni eke no sense idani. Iwe bi o iba pretend. Veni watu otani amegbe memi wage di seti we. Inya wa bokpa. The next thing wa bon is iwe fie want ni mi ayafi. Iwa ga go ni wa ga ni man emani wa fi we yes yama de o yama emi we gun yase. Iwa ga go ni ga ni iwa iladian ila moto ari o wa. Mi akwe ari o wa ni se fu we moto mi ana we video we pa bare o. Sabo me la o we ba ya o e ba me ye gba we ku no pa no wa gbe owo ni no re benjo na wa disgrace otima no kitali wa akian. Otima no wa kitali akian. Ederi gbori na doje papan ikometa se gberun di bata. Edede kometa si o si okwi bata. O si o eni agba tota no ga re no re benjo. Onyo ga ata we mi bata no gbegba. We mi bata no gbegba. We de wu won na nia. We salu hun kwa wu won na. Agbo ya na do vi owe ye. E 2 inches no re Italy pe. O igele wa pa gbe igi bata ni bata ye gegege. Oye bata na gbaya nyepo. Oye vi bata na gbaya nyepo, my people. Oni gbari onare birthday. Dovi o kan we gbe bata ni bani wo energy e dede for that matter. Dede me dede. Ave dede ni aye ki agwo ogo we overnight. Ave dede ni aye ki a shift things in eve gbiyan overnight. Ina na vi ala shililao. Mama ni aga impress. Avec grandmothers, grandmothers. Iana si lala shile lao. Lu desi awa na hina. Anawa tiema. Osato atebu. Felice atebu. Dorcas atebu. Ina gai eregbe ya TV eriyo. Ivu Ugo papa, Ugo atebu. Let's say queen away for your man. Because I don't just want to offend the celebrant. They maybe we might only offend this Bumopani and I nonsense in ya do a party. Therefore, see no say yes. I come for them. Ugo na re atebu. If ye the woman la atebu. Eo azamama 30 BG. Somebody say, Queenie, she don't wear that party for Torino. She don't wear that shoe. Go party for Torino. Ubere. Mowe. Percy, we arrange a bag for us. Go party. No hear when she come the nag for video. No be this shirt I be one carry. I be one carry another shirt. No be this shoe I be one wear. I be one carry another shoe. No be this cloth I be one even wear. I be one carry another. I be one wear another shirt. Only one person when I see say yes, she do things all her body suburb, but there be only two. Now be power with what do they call her, Mama Melissa. Those people where a part get issue with. For that full party. Now let those people I know say yes, all those on now be better showstopper. You know, say when we react, but where they tell you one go form, say one go spray 1,000. They can't say make anybody not follow and spray. No let she come a party will not be your own. Era we birthday, you we birthday. When I invite where I invite manike, he get to do a figo kere de ma we fee. I power fall out. I carry big money also come and I want spray. Our sister we wear 17 inches shoe for leg. He get phone. She go see that. The thing pay her. Erina ni na drawa because a video ni. You not need a video ni no ha post repeatedly. You understand the video ni your page na ni your pa post. I wait yes you get stop a show ni. Pala e pa wana bollat from nowhere na you go Zanzibar ya. Mama Melissa na you go boss ya. On your must say with no filter. Ti president because I know say with the panel they play or not beside the president. I just the call result according to what I see for that party. Not beside they support them for anything way that they do. Outside that party, way my camera. Una they get me, my people. All those was now be people where you call for party. And everything that Mama Melissa wear it was good. Na Sonia kwe shawa na wa lape shawa yenye. Shawa. Mawe wenu mokpa no kwa yenye. Shawa no kwa we myowe. My lady is excellent man to say, Mama Melissa and God's power, na me see for that part. Yes, ma. Truth be told, we saw the video. Me ma here, una see my updates now when I update almost around 1 bit 2. Iwa areva to observe. The only thing I don't like now is that they fuck video. They fuck video big time. They fuck out big time. Video do we worry kwe ya wanyo ba. Before, but I tell you, if you best way they go party, if you carry your car, go, put your drink inside your car. If you look and say maybe because say city where you do or country where they say control day where all these fancy cups so where they get cover where they get straw. If na Gio, put her inside Viazi, you wear put line. Before you just they shayo your shayo. Where you la week where you beg anybody face you I will deal up like say you don't send anybody papa. Even your workers people they clear for you. Don't be say you all go somewhere I can ya kia on the table. I kon gbela yon wete. Even though they give you food, you know want it. Who look yourself, they will know say yo. Get the way this one take they come up for where MTD, you know if you eat food. Thanks for joining Mama Rita, the best analyzer. Yeah, can the camera kwa you be vado get sumo start ana wa han get sumo start be na wa me. Iya wa the get sumo start you know we ke wa no ya wa fian wa the go you ta de gbe wa ya kon ki o we. I was like a junkie shows in a baby. What are all this? Before power with Mama Melissa enter that party, they don't shy you, they don't deal with. But when they enter, they know they take anything. If now your small bottle water, you're the sipper. Till they calm your energy down. Already where they were. Even if you consider say you are, don't see they clear small. Do like say you won't go peace. Go outside, go take fresh air. Open your car again. Open your car, carry your cup, come out, eyes they inside, you know they met. You will still sip on. I will wear a so no man can walk regular. You say you go party, I will be vado, get small start, knock back. Hey, where the meat? Bring the meat now. Thanks for joining my lady. Your voice say, be like say, she go with her man. She go with her man. That man where she call the video, na your guy be that. Na your guy, na be that man so. Where she called the video. I just the pity for that man. I was like, wow, this man is not too, that is, the man, they a little bit unkept. You understand? You know, say, men where they work, I understand. Men where they work for Europe, yeah? They very, very, you get the way they tell they. But you as a woman, are you supposed to, you know, the man yourself hold his 2 hands together. The man just be like person where they arrest for yourself. He hold his 2 hands together. You know, even feel move. The man just dead door. If you don't want my camera, no one munya. Ya se people sinore manifesto. Emi yao. E say you know ragbadani o. If you don't want video. I was like, what is all this? Even the same Vivian, she no fit use camera face herself for 2 seconds. But she go focus on the man. Whether she want make the man get friends or the man get wife, make them know say he dey with the man. I don't know. They no call her for item. They no call her. It was so disrespectful. If not me, only that thing I will saga them. I use my money, my time, everything to come honor you. Lace where I'm not supposed to have wear and she can't even wear Versace shoe, Coco shoe gold. Honor you with bayo. At the end, that man be here at table. That was a kind of pasha. Nobody even recognized her. Even AC Papilo. When me wa to say me did that party. I know say as AC Papilo see me like this, ye guys say ye ni me ya go, no be joke. Ye say ye ni me ya go. As me also sumo risho. Yeah? You know if you call they look and they look and they look and they. You know if you hear one say okay, special guest of honor. Nene from for where? Nothing like that. Even unshakable, be untouchable, they still hate that one. They hate that one. No, yeah, where they hate untouchable. Untouchable was invited to our table, but she no go. Only why they were boost the page. You know what video legal. She went there to boost her page. And makeup was so terrible. I was just like, what is all this? And I people will know you don't. The worst part, presenters where did that party, they go 30. No one even say Ivierio hello or I or Alpha. All of they just the room for Ivierio go and change. Ma, yeah, change. Why so some people was just classic. When I mean classic, they know how to organize themselves publicly. Why some of you who were even your eyelash was fighting you, your makeup was fighting you, was fighting you, a taste of drinking beer now, you people were passing through a lot. A particular for she was ashamed of herself. Very we me know. The only thing very stand up go don't ya agbena yemi. I want me back with a very when I'm I want me back with a very when I'm I want me back with a very when I'm I was like, what's going on? What is all this? Is it that you don't wear compulsive side or I don't get it? We maybe can wear totally anything you need. Do you need? What woman need do no. Here I'm the next person. I'm at the woman your boy I tell you I'm is there woman your boy I'm all that people where the video they call the comment say if you the other sister, you don't they fight for us. You will be caterer. You will be caterer. You can't go they fight for us for party. Now you have been a yemi. Waiting happen to Mama B and Monica for party. We want to repeat itself again. Yesterday. Then they tell Monica had to with Mama B view every table. We are tell what we vie minana. He don't come. Waiting he said that they come. I say great Monica. I say Felicia too. He said Felicia too. To go. You know if you sabi spell. We are spelling now. Let me just take you out of here. I don't want you to enjoy this my show. Mom, not be you go tell me who fine, who not fine. Who tell you that name where you write here now, you want to give my popularity here. Where be everybody, even people where do party no say a 4 copy here, yeah, 4 copy ba. They no say now 4 copy, go 4 copy there. One more bad comment from you, I will block you direct. One more bad comment. Il est boy prison. I will only time I won't Felicia not talk boy. No work ben here. One want to boy. Abu work be o tag be na wana. You see fight for ye. He say her dress no make sense. She was ashamed of herself. She was ashamed of herself. But the 4 cup they give her, it was a double exhaust. E double exhaust shame and disgrace en yande ni vierio. Vierio e ti saga we mother sa diko deti me we ni me gbuwa. Vero kwa ya ta fia lele matema. Deti me oni me gbuwa. Ekwe gbuwa wa mu wa bana because I'm like what is all this? Mature ladies. No bana wa ninye. No rebenjo oni ninye gbe. If you go look all the camera, inyenya wana, onina wa ninye. If forget say Facebook, if you like talk for several rooms for that side, they will hear for ye. Inwina na wa me, aya wa tema, iya ti a tebu funia. Amatima, ama egbe na ga mano ni, ogbale ya tebu no ya le, yon avye no ba ya we ki awe wa. Adien di nani ha. Edegbe eso paralyze wowe eso nene eso maisati kian awa blanc sive do mwesu a check wa eso bana eso gba yoye bedi no winye kai o allegedly awu we ka I was so ashamed of myself. Yeah, you can watch a white short skirt, white short pinafore, white short pinafore ni na working and I was very set. Via the yoga can wear your dress by this time of the day. Even when GVS get to the PNP, where you don't know mama's dressing. Maybe the mama see your dress. Would they travel? See a lot of job in the PN. Oh, it's got to wear that thing and bang would do well. See when you by panty wear what up. I know you don't care about those things. Because when we behave somehow. Yeah? Even when he did that man parlor, Mona go watch the video where very did that man parlor. Mona go and people should go and listen to the conversation. When you hear about the video, like argue, they were not happy at all. They were not happy. So tell somebody there and say, where are they? A training well are be. How can somebody be asking you? Or man beg a way a training well are because who are sweat anyhow. Man lo perfume but man kwel ratio. Ya beg where you are stress out. See a luggage bobo, who see a bisa we fin, who more pavieke. Just a 1 day party. Umwe luggage, umwe bisa ubona, umwe no pa ubona, or for ya, I got no we are not where are to a training well lie be a bossy lie. When I guys play video, ya like training ya se wana babana. Ya like they to organize a buwe. They say where you organize a smell where your own personal saint. When we are decompose or when it to say that me I even see some people where they go that party they wear cocoa shoe. Party my day smell. Or make it dress simple. One big jeans, one small polo with slippers. The cross bag you will see a luggage if possible. No, I mean no bunwajo. Make people feel your scent, your smell, like smell good. Oh, Selena video, I'm luggage you bona. I'm a school bona, and I don't wear handbag. What's the difference between school bag and handbag? Handbag, you rock below sekwe school. Asileya, just one night party. Wa bere evil. Can just see the old things. People call you see they talk. I watch video where one woman do to the laugh working me. A celebrant, you know why we are celebrant a picture. You know when a celebrant we Jenny cannot jump pay. You know when the celebrant here, you know gallery asa, koboko, you know bole celebrant egbe. Any kind celebrant they jeperepe. All those Yoruba people, we are here. Get what they call those Yoruba people. This all those any kind of sort of. A pence, my you call them pence. A pence in normal sort of. Oh, what tatty will totally legacy. A celebrant job. I want a celebrant in book money and I want a celebrant here. I will let people not feel live celebrate. A celebrant them not like all job. What we give will give me. When I go celebrant, they act better no invite. So I say okay, mo we do sangani. Ora mo duoni ban udogiya. Penny. Obiedita. Erita una many of una go there to pepper kurita. Some of una say una want pepper buy the muffin. But the way una take dress. Ona ye na me go know that word of Germany o waje. Ne mani re Germany je.